The San Diego Botanical Garden comes to life at night with Lightscape, a holiday event that invites visitors to see the garden in a whole new light. Artistic installations illuminate the trail with color and sound, creating a festive atmosphere for all ages. Experience the awe of artistry in motion with these 15 fantastical installations. A 1-mile path winds through the garden, passing artistic designs that will bring the visitor to a stop in order to take it all in. Laser beams brighten the path ahead in liquid sky. The fog thickens and images appear in the sky for a moment and disappear into the night. Sony Music partners with Lightscape to provide coordinated music, further elevating the experience. For copyright reasons, I'm using other permitted music in this video. Some of the installations are high energy, while others manifest peace. The Super Lily rests in a mirror-like pond. Its subtle color changes echo on the water. The fire festoons sit like flowers in water, backlit by a vibrant tropical forest. The only perceptible movement was the flickering flames. The Lightscape illuminated trails have graced cities worldwide. Each Lightscape event is custom designed for the location. An international group of artists created flow to represent the feel and energy of a space. Through surging points of light and patterns, flow accentuates the landscape where it is placed. This forest of flowers tours worldwide. The gigantic multicolored blooms set amongst the colorful trees change the scale of everything around it. People and benches become miniatures in this setting. Some of the artists use wild colors. The branches and trunk of the Botanic Garden's cork trees are outlined in strips of multicolored lights, creating a neon forest. The bright orange poppies appear to be floating away into the night sky. Other installations dazzle with a single color, like the Winter Cathedral wrapped in tens of thousands of white LED lights. Church windows inspired the arched shape, and if viewed from a distance, the cathedral appears to be a solid shape. 750 glowing fiber optic flowers cover the rare fruit garden in shimmering white light. Thousands upon thousands of tiny white lights lit the tree and branches of the garden's iconic Mysore fig tree. In the daylight, this tree is magnificent, but lit at night, it is a whole new level of spectacular. The garden turns playful with Candy Lane. Reminiscent of the favorite childhood board game Candyland, the path is formed by colorful squares surrounded by giant gumdrops and sweets. Along the Rainbow Road, the colors of the rainbow guide you further into a garden transformed. Lightscape visitors get the first glimpse of the upgrades underway in the San Diego Botanic Garden's bamboo florist. Find a bench and try and track the shadow dance light swirling and darting through the bamboo as magical swarms of energy. These oversized neon-feathered nightbirds take flight, leading the way out of the forest. Mimicking the tall bamboo, the huge 26-foot multicolored reeds are brought to life by pulses of light. Lightscape at the San Diego Botanic Garden runs through the holidays. During the day, the San Diego Botanic Garden is a tapestry of 29 unique themed gardens. In the next video, explore this 37-acre sanctuary with sunlight illuminating the garden's treasures. Hi, I'm Kim, the Garden Travel Guide. Subscribe to get notifications of future garden video tours, and kindly give this video a thumbs up to help spread garden goodness. I hope to see you in the next garden.